Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly navigate the world of finance while others find it daunting? In this video, we'll uncover the hidden power behind your financial choices, the psychology of money. It all starts with emotions. Fear can keep us from taking calculated risks, while greed can lead to impulsive decisions. Understanding these emotional triggers is essential to making informed financial choices. Our brains are wired with biases. Confirmation. Bias makes us seek information that confirms our existing beliefs, while loss aversion makes us avoid risks even when the potential gains outweigh the losses. The key is to recognize these biases and implement strategies to counteract them. Mindful money management, through techniques like budgeting and goal setting, can help us stay on track. Being intentional with our finances leads to mindful money management. It's about aligning our spending with our values and long-term goals. This practice empowers us to make decisions based on logic rather than emotion. Let's look at some inspiring case studies. These individuals conquered their financial challenges by understanding and managing their emotions. Experts agree, mastering money psychology is the cornerstone of financial success. Remember, financial success begins with self-awareness. By recognizing and managing our emotions, we take control of our financial destiny.